Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rubina. I was in COTHM and I was student of batch 2005 and 6. I studied here, and today after so many years I came back to COTHM and I wanted to see and meet my teachers and see how it's been. And it amazed me how it's changed, how big it is. Because when I studied here and I was becoming a chef, it was 2004 and 5. Because I was in the working industry before getting to college, it was different. It was not when people could see or accept a female chef in the kitchen working with a main dominant work environment. And to see so many of female chefs getting training and trying to go out in the professional field, it just made me so proud. It made me really proud. So I'm so happy to be here. I'm very proud of COTHM for the work it has done to change the work environment for females, to change the work environment overall in the kitchen industry, and to standardize it. Because before COTHM, we really hardly had any college or school where we could go and actually learn the communication skills and learn how to present food on a professional level. We had to actually go work in the hotels and get the trainings and then go that route. So to see college now on such a big level, it just made me proud, amazed, and I wish all the luck to COTHM and all the students who are planning to come. I can tell you that you're in a safe place. You're in a place where you're going to learn some amazing stuff before you get into work industry. Thank you so much. Take care.